good, like it's all just a dream. Tell me, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in my YouTube channel I do beauty related videos. But today I wanted to do this beautiful neutral tones or neutral color eyeshadow, and I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. So yeah, with further ado, let's go ahead right into this makeup tutorial. Oh, I already primed my eyelids using the Juvia's Place concealer. Ooh, see, this is what I don't like about the concealer. Like when I close it and open it, it does this. But I do love the concealer. The concealer is so good. I'm gonna go in to the shade Regular, which is this orange shade, and I'm taking my Essence Smoky Eye Brush. I wasn't trying to hurry, but somehow I did it quickly. I think it looks how it usually does. So anyway, so I'm gonna go into Raw Sienna. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this out using that shade. So I'm just gonna go over it like so. And I'm gonna go back with the color Regular, that orange shade. And I'm just going back in with that small packing brush. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit more right here to deepen that color. I feel like we've lost it, but this just gives it like a hint of orange, like a little bit more. Take that blending brush we were using, and we're taking Raw Sienna and Regular, that orange shade, tapping the axis, and then just going in between and blending. So now I'm gonna take this kind of like angled brush. It's really small, and I'm gonna go into Tempera, which is like this white bone shade right here. I'm gonna put some over here too. I haven't done my eyebrow yet, so I'm scared when I do my eyebrow it's gonna look ugly. And then I'm just gonna go back in and blend a little bit because some of that white got on my on my eyeshadow. All right, I think that looks good. If I have to blend it more, I can just blend it more later, but I think it looks nice. So I'm using my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5. So I'm just taking the shades that we use, so like Regular and Raw Sienna, and just mixing it, just closing this up just a tad bit. I'm switching brushes in order to blend this out. So we're gonna go and take this e.l.f. brush. It says eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in with Tempera, which is this white bone shade. I'm dipping back into colors, but just a little bit of that orange and that brown, just to touch up. So now I'm just gonna go underneath the eye, and I'm just using Regular and Raw Sienna. And then really quickly, and I'm just gonna blend that out. So now that we have that done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and then foundation. I'm gonna do that obviously like off camera. So yeah, I'll just be back. So I already did my foundation. I set my powder with my Maybelline Fit Me, and now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the shade Rosewood. Oh, right here. And my nose is okay. So now I'm gonna take some of my Maybelline, and I'm taking a sponge for this. I'm taking this e.l.f. sponge for powder. I still don't know what shape I want for right here. I don't know if I should just go like cut it straight, or if I should just follow my face structure. So I'm gonna go in with my Serafina blush from Juvia's Place. Bam! Look how cute it is. Really buff that in. There's this little acne patch right here that is like super dry, but yeah, I can't do anything about that. All right, so I'm touching a little bit the tip of my nose, right here, just a little bit, and then under my chin a little bit. All right, so now I'm just gonna apply this facial mist, but I use not really as a setting mist. I use this more just to hydrate my skin after all that powder that I applied. I'm thinking of using my Urban Decay highlighter. This is in Sin. Oh, look at that, so beautiful. You can definitely build it up, but then you can also, like, you know, use it really like subtle. So I'm just putting it on the top of my lips, and then just a little bit the leftover I'm gonna go on the top of my brow. Ooh, grabbed my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and lashes. Okay, 3D 13 lashes, and I have ones that I already like used, so I'm gonna use these again. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention that I'm using my Fat Lash mascara. So I already did my top lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes. I really feel like I'm going back to basics when I'm doing neutral eyeshadows, like the one I'm doing today, because it's like, since it's like cut crease, it's kind of like glam in a way, but at the same time it's very natural, like neutral colors. Taking my LA Girl lip liner, and this is in the shade Spice. So we're gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Lip Duo. These are really nice. This smells so good. I love the smell of this. So funny story, I had one of these like back in the day, and I don't know where it went. Honestly, I didn't know where it went. I was like, I really like that lipstick, but gosh, like, why did I lost it? And then me and my sister were recording the other day because we were collabing, and she was like, no, wait, was it that day? No, it wasn't that day. It was another day. I don't know when it was. Anyways, we were at the store, I think. I'm not sure. Dang, I forget things easily. But just let it be known that my sister told me, I was telling her, oh, I had one of these, I really like them. And then she's like, oh yeah, I took it. I was like, no wonder I couldn't find it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the lip gloss. The lip gloss isn't, I don't know, it's like a normal lip gloss. And there you go, it's a really nice one. It may have different colors too, but I just like this one. I haven't tried another color because this one's just really pretty. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And remember to ring that bell down below. That way you'll be notified for my future videos. Okay, no, really, thank you so much for sticking around. I know today I did a very basic eye look, but I really feel like I want to practice my cut creases, and I rarely do just something simple. Like, I'm always trying to do something with color. So yeah, let me know if you like this, or in the future if you want more colorful looks from me, I will do it. Just go ahead and recommend it. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I don't want to take more of your time. I hope you have a great day. Bye.